5 reasons why you should be reading one book a month at least. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Some of you guys might know me as FKJ. I have a gaming channel. I've been creating content since 2016. I used to do Web 2 gaming, but now I'm focusing towards Web 3 gaming. That's just part of my job as well. And I created this channel for the people who are trying to better themselves, people who are trying to do more, be a better version of themselves. In this channel, I will be discussing, advising, giving you tips and tricks on what steps you can take to better yourself every day. The main reason for this channel is to keep myself accountable. All these steps and all these tips I will be giving out, I will be implementing them on myself as well. And having this channel, having people who are watching me, having people who are on this path with me will hold me accountable and will put pressure on me to be a better version of myself. That being said, I don't want to take much of your time, but let's get into 5 steps of why you should read at least one book per month. First things first, personal development. Depending on what type of books you're reading a book will help expand a person's knowledge and understanding of various subjects, which will indirectly lead to personal growth and self-improvement. If you're into self-help and finances, a couple of books I can recommend right off the bat will be The 48 Laws of Power, Outliers, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the list goes on. I will be sharing some of my suggested books and stuff in Discord, so the link will be in the pinned comment, so check that out. Second, mental stimulation. Reading a thoughtful book will exercise your brain, which will lead to improved cognitive abilities and a sharper mind. Reading a book might also help you experience delayed gratification. As a gamer myself, playing Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, every time you get a kill, you get that instant gratification and your brain wants it more and more, the dopamine effect, and you want it more and more. That's why sometimes you play games for hours, like 8 hours a day, 7 hours a day, 10 hours a day. But sitting back and just enjoying a book and reading a book will delay that gratification and will kind of keep your dopamine in check. Third reason, relaxation. Taking 30 minutes of a day and just taking a book and going into your room, chilling on your couch, reading, sipping on some tea, that is definitely relaxing. It will take you away from your social media, from endless scrolling on TikTok, from YouTube, from a video like this, and put you in a very relaxed state of mind. Reading a book can be a great stress relief as well. Number 4, improve vocabulary and language skills. I was born and raised in Africa. English is not my first language. I still to this date struggle making sentences. I had to cut this video like 20 times because I can't make a full sentence without stuttering or without making so many pauses. Unfortunately, my vocabulary is very limited as well. But reading a book will expand your vocabulary, improve your language skills, and increase the ability to communicate effectively. I feel teenagers these days are struggling with this the most. The vocabulary is very limited. Scrolling on TikTok all day long is not helping either. So taking some time away from that and actually reading a book and reading all these new words and learning about all these new words will definitely help in future. 5th point, cultural appreciation. If you're somebody who is born in one country, raised in that same country, and maybe born and raised in one town, it will be very difficult for you to learn about different cultures without traveling. Not everybody has the means to travel. Reading books from different culture and historical periods will give you a deeper dive and understanding of different cultures and way of life. It will also make you think from a different perspective and look from a different perspective which you might have never had before. That being said, if I was to suggest you to read a book, I will tell you to go read a self-help book or an improvement book or a finance books or how to learn more about money, how to learn about self-development, how to learn about self-growth. Because I think if I suggest you to go read a manga or an anime or some comic book, it will just not do the right effect as I'm trying to portray in this video. Me personally, I'm reading Atomic Habits right now. If you are in self-growth, if you are in this space for some time and you have been like looking for some books to read, this is a very common and a very famous book. Check this book out. I will be trying to finish this book in 30 days. The goal is to read about 10 to 20 pages per day. Keep it minimal. Don't stress my mind too much about finishing the book in 30 days, but at the same time, keep a steady pace. If you enjoyed this video and if you are looking forward to more videos like this and self-improvement and self-growth videos, make sure you like this video, comment down below something, tell me your favorite book right now or something you are trying to read or something you're planning to read, and subscribe to this channel, join the Discord for like-minded people, and let's all improve together. Last thing, I don't want you to be one of those people who always watch these videos, watch these TikToks, but never take action. So go ahead and execute.